What is going on, guys? Today I'm still on vacation, like you guys know that I have been, and I wanted to show you something really cool. This is gonna be a short video, but I've been really on this vacation kind of testing out like new things, new sports, new adventures, all with a hair system. And you know, this is my first time really traveling and kind of going through some of this stuff with having this part of my life, and it's been going really well. And right now I'm actually on top of a mountain, just went hiking, and it's kind of chilly. It's probably like down in like the 60s, maybe high 60s. And you know, from Florida, I'm used to like 80 to 90 degrees, right? So I wanted to show you first off this. Oh, I don't think I can actually. I don't think I can flip around the camera, so I'm gonna have to go down here. But it's really cool because, you know, on this trip I have been seeing, man, how much easier it really is to actually have a hair system in a cooler climate. And it's incredible. I mean, the difference in how well my bond is holding is night and day. It really is. I want to show you this. Look at this, guys. Boom. That's just part of the view. I'm going to show you more. It's night and freaking day. I've been going, I now have 10 days on my current bond, which I usually change out in 7 to 10 days, every single time, religiously. Up here, my bond is holding so strong. It feels like it's still completely fresh. I have no issues. It's not sliding around at all, nothing like that. So great news for all of you out there who are, you know, potentially in cooler climates, and you're still doing adventure sports, all this kind of stuff. Like, it's totally manageable, totally doable, not hard whatsoever. But I really want to show you guys, like, it's totally possible. You guys know me. I do CrossFit. Like, I live in a hot environment. I want to live an adventurous lifestyle. Like, I don't want this to limit me whatsoever. And that's one of the biggest like things that I thought would make it so I couldn't have a hair system and I couldn't keep it. That's why I shaved my head. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. It's a really interesting one. But here I am. This is a moment for me, but I hope it's a moment for you too, where you see, like, you can go out and you can do all this stuff. Like, this can be you. You can go out, make the relationships you want to make, have the confidence that you want to have. You can go out and do really adventurous stuff. Oh, look, it's my friend. It's my friend Chris right there. He doesn't even know he's in a video. You can do all of this stuff. You can have a blast. You can completely do everything that you want in your life while still improving yourself. You know, if hair systems, if hair loss is really affecting your life, it's causing you to lose your edge. It's something that's on your mind a lot, and it's taking a toll on you. Don't let it be the end of the road. Don't let it be the thing that holds you back, because all this stuff is achievable, no matter how you live your life. And that's just a beautiful thing. You know, 10, 15 years ago, this wasn't possible. And we need to honor the fact that now we have such amazing technology, and it's not perfect by any means yet, but we have so much technology now that has been improved. People have, you know, sweated, worked long hours to give us the possibility to live a life like this. Not be limited, but go out and live fully. I'm really happy. And I hope you guys can feel that, and you guys can see that it's life-changing, and this is a big moment for me, because I really didn't think that I could go out and I could do this kind of stuff. I didn't think I could go travel, let alone hike and rock climb and snowboard and all that kind of stuff. And I can't wait to show you every single time that it's possible, that it's doable, it's achievable, and you got to go out there and do it. So, end of this video. I want to show you guys. I'm going to flip the camera around. Let's take a look, shall we? All right. Boom. Look at that. Wow. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell below, stay notified. About 70% of the people that are watching this channel are just seeing it for the first time, which means every time that you engage, it helps someone else see that this type of life is possible. We will see you soon.